Hey gardening friends! Want to save a ton of money on tomatoes? Today, I'll show you an easy, cost-effective way to grow your own tomatoes at home using an old tire. Let's start with the basics. An old tire makes a perfect planter for your tomato plants. It's a great way to recycle and create a compact, efficient growing space. First, find a spot with plenty of sunlight, as tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. Place the tire on the ground and fill it with nutrient-rich soil. Make sure to mix in compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Fill the tire about 3/4 full. This gives your tomato plants enough room to grow and thrive. Now it's time to plant your tomato seedlings. Choose healthy seedlings and plant them in the center of the tire. Space them about 2 to 3 feet apart if you're using multiple tires. After planting, water the seedlings thoroughly. Tomatoes love moisture, so keep the soil consistently damp but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once a week, more often in hot, dry weather. Add a layer of mulch around the base of the plants. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the soil temperature stable. As your plants grow, you might need to provide support. Use stakes, cages, or trellises to keep the plants upright and promote better air circulation. Regularly prune the lower leaves and any non-fruiting branches to focus the plant's energy on producing tomatoes. Feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Look for one high in potassium and phosphorus to encourage fruit development. In about 60 to 80 days, depending on the variety, you'll start to see ripe tomatoes. Harvest them when they are fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Enjoy fresh, delicious tomatoes right from your garden. Growing tomatoes this way not only saves you money but also gives you fresh, organic produce right at home. Try it out and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Happy gardening! #gardening tips #gardening. See you in the next video.